CRED Airdrop, also known as Credible Finance. Alright, so this project has been able to secure 10.5 million, alright, on their TVL with over 8 different giant investors, including Solana, Plume, Outlier Ventures, and more. Alright, this video I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to register on this project, complete available tax, and also meet up with the eligibility criteria. Alright, so these are the eligibility criteria. So one of them is to complete minimum of 5 tasks, earn not less than 500 points, and also complete KYC tasks. This one is recommendable but not necessary. Alright, so if you want to gain extra points, it is recommendable you do that, but it is not necessary. Alright, it's not mandatory. Alright, so without further ado, let's quickly dive into the registration process. Alright, one of the most difficult tasks on this CRED airdrop is actually the wallet connection. So that's the reason why I am really doing this video, to guide you on the tips I use in connecting my wallet. So first thing to do, you can just click on it so that we take you to your default browser. If you can use Microsoft browser, you can use Chrome, you can use whichever one you prefer. So you just go ahead and click try beta. Alright, so you can log in using, what is it called, Gmail, or you can just register using your particular email address. Alright, so I prefer using my own address to register. Alright, I'm not a robot, I agree. Alright, now a verification has been sent into my mail. All I have to do is just to minimize back, go to my email address and copy from my inbox. Alright, you can see the code. Close this and you paste in the link, then you verify to gain access. Now you've gained access. This is the dashboard. Welcome to Credible Finance. So this is your referral code, and these are the tasks that you need to do. Remember the eligibility criteria. I said you should complete at least 5 tasks to earn 500 points at minimum. Alright, let's get started with our task. So the first thing to do is to follow on Twitter. So you just go ahead and click on it, then you follow them. You can see is a good verification, so you have to be very active on this project. Be very active. All right, then I follow them on Twitter. So the next thing to do is to share. All right, so you can just go ahead. I'm new. You can just go ahead and share that. I love adding extra text so that Twitter will not flag as though I'm a bot. Alright, so I'm not a bot, so I have to add extra content to what was provided. Alright, always do that. I recommend you always do that. Alright, then the next thing to do, that's pending. You can follow them on Telegram. Just click on it, click on join. I think this task is alright. So this is the KYC. You can start KYC. Currently loading up. Alright, you can complete KYC here. Alright, let me quickly walk you through on wallet connection. I don't think I'll be doing this right now. I don't think I'll be doing the KYC right now. Alright, so my tasks are still pending, so subsequently you come in to check so as to claim. So for the wallet connection, you can just copy your link. That's the easiest way. Just copy your link and open your Phantom wallet. Alright, so you can just go ahead and paste in your link here. Just paste in the link. Then you'll be prompted to log in again. You just have to log in into your account. Then you enter your email again. Alright, so enter the same email. Then you log in. A code has been sent to your email inbox. Just go ahead and grab it. After grabbing it, you minimize back to your Phantom wallet, you paste in the code, then you authorize. My login is successful. You go to wallet connection. You can see Phantom has been highlighted. You just go ahead and connect, and boom, our wallet is connected, and we have successfully claimed 200 points so far. Now you can complete the remaining task. You can see my Twitter has been completed as well. Completed. So this one is still pending. This one is pending as well. Telegram. So you can close the phantom since you've done the task, so you can just go ahead and start completing the remaining task on your browser. For the wallet connection, I use Phantom so that it will be very easy for us to connect. Just log in into Phantom and connect. Then I came back to the browser, so I'll continue doing the remaining task. All right, so that's basically what you have to do. So for your KYC, you can use your NIN to complete your verification. And also this particular task, I say lend now. So this one you are actually using money to do this. All right, so if you have the fund, you can jump into it. Else, just complete the available tasks that you can and walk away. So hopefully the project cooks. All right, so this is what they have raised so far. All right, so it is visible on their dashboard, so we all can see what they have raised so far. Jump into it, and if this is your first time, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. In the description of this video, you are going to get the registration link, and also you'll get the, what is it called, my WhatsApp or community group. So make sure you join so that you can stay updated in regards. See you in my next video.